So very first question is, Hitler party that came into power in 1933 is known as option A, Labour Party, option B, Nazi Party, option C, Ku Klux Klan, option D, Democratic Party. The right answer is option B, Nazi Party. Question number 2. FFC stands for option A, Foreign Finance Corporation, option B, Film Finance Corporation, option C, Federation of Football Council, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option B, Film Finance Corporation. Question 3 is, who is the fastest shorthand writer? Option A, Dr. G.D. Beast, option B, J.R.D. Tata, option C, J.M. Tagore, option D, Khudada Khan. The right answer is option A, G.D. Beast. The question 4 is, Epsom in England is a place associated with option A, horse racing, option B, polo, option C, shooting, option D, snooker. The right answer is option A, horse racing. The fifth question is, first human heart transplant operation conducted by Dr. Christian Barnard on Louis Washkansky was conducted in year 1967, B, in year 1968, C, in year 1958, D, year 1922. The right answer is A, in year 1967.
The first question is, the first Afghan war took place in, and your options are A, 1839, B, 1843, C, 1833, D, 1848. And the right answer is A, the first Afghan war took place in 1839. And here is the second question. The Gulf Cooperation originally formed by, and here is options: A, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and UAE. B, Second World Nations. C, Third World Nations. D, Fourth World Nations. And the right option is A, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and UAE. And here is the third question. First China war was fought between, and here is your options: A, China and Britain, B, China and France, C, China and Egypt, D, China and Greek. And the right option is A, the first China war was fought between China and Britain. And here is your fourth question. Dumping is, your options are: option A, selling of goods abroad at a price well below the production cost at the home market price, option B, the process by which the supply of manufacturer's product remain low in domestic market, which batches him better price, C, prohibited by regulation of GATT, D, all of the above. And the right option is D, all of the above. And the fifth question is, for the Olympic and World Tournament, the dimension of a basketball courts are: option A, 26 meter by 14 meter, B, 28 meter by 15 meter, C, 27 meter by 16 meter, or D, 28 meter by 16 meter. And the right option is option B. For the Olympics and the World Tournament, the dimension of the basketball court are 28 meter by 15 meter. And here is your first question. Federation Cup, World Cup, Alvin Trophy and Challenge Cup are the awarded for the winners of option A, tennis, option B, volleyball, option C, cricket, option D, basketball. And the right option is option B, volleyball. And here is your second question. On which day of year the World Red Cross Day is celebrated? Option A, May 8. Option B, June 18. Option C, June 8. Option D, June 18. And the right option is May 8. And the third question is, the famous sculpture known as Art of Love, built in 950 AD to 1050 AD, are situated in, and your options are A, Khajuraho temples, B, Jama Masjid, C, Mahabalipuram temples, D, Sun Temple of Konark. And the right option is option A, Khajuraho temple. And here is your fourth question. Gravity setting chambers are used to remove in industries are, and your options are A, sodium oxide, B, NO, C, suspended particulate matter, D, CO. And the right option is option B, NO. And here is your fifth question. Guwahati High Court is the judiciary of, and your options are option A, Nagaland, option B, Arunachal Pradesh, option C, Assam, option D, all of the above. And the right option is option D, all of the above.
Very first question is, Galileo was an Italian astronomer who, option A, developed the telescope, option B, discovered 4 satellites of Jupiter, option C, discovered that the movement of pendulum produces a regular time measurement, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. So second question is, Habeas Corpus Act 1679 stated, option A, states no one was to be imprisoned without a writ or warrant stating the charge against him. Option B, provided facilities to a prisoner to obtain either speedy trial or release in bail. Option C, safeguarded the personal liberties of the people against arbitrary imprisonment by the king's orders. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question 3. Exposure to sunlight helps an individual to improve his health because option A, the infrared light kills bacteria in the body. Option B, resistance power increases. Option C, the pigment cells in the skin get stimulated and produce a healthy tan. Option D, the ultraviolet rays convert skin oil into vitamin B. The right answer is option D. Exposure to sunlight helps a person improves his health because the ultraviolet rays convert skin oil into vitamin D. Question 4. Golf player Vijay Singh belongs to which country? Option A, USA. Option B, Fiji. Option C, India. Option D, UK. The right answer is option B, Fiji. And the last question, question number 5, is guarantee to the exporter that the importer of his goods will pay immediately for the goods he have ordered is known as option A, letter to credit, option B, laissez-faire, option C, inflation, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, letter of credit. So very first question is, Hitler party that came into power in 1933 is known as option A, Labour Party, option B, Nazi Party, option C, Ku Klux Klan, option D, Democratic Party. The right answer is option B, Nazi Party. Question number 2, FFC stands for option A, Foreign Finance Corporation, option B, Film Finance Corporation, option C, Federation of Football Council, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option B, Film Finance Corporation. Question 3 is who is the fastest shorthand writer? Option A, Dr. G.D. Beast. Option B, J.R.D. Tata. Option C, J.M. Tagore. Option D, Khudada Khan. The right answer is option A, G.D. Beast. The question 4 is Epsom in England is a place associated with option A, horse racing. Option B, polo. Option C, shooting. Option D, snooker. The right answer is option A, horse racing. The fifth question is first human heart transplant operation conducted by Dr. Christian Barnard on Louis Washkansky was conducted in year 1967, B in year 1968, C in year 1958, D year 1922. The right answer is A in year 1967.
So the first question is the first International Peace Congress held in London in, and your options are option A 1564 AD, option B 1798 AD, option C 1843 AD, option D 1901 AD. And the right option is option C 1843 AD. Question number 2. For seeing objects at the water surface from a submarine, the object is used known as, and your options are option A kaleidoscope, option B periscope, option C spectroscope, option D telescope. And the right option is option B periscope. Question number 3. Dr. Zakir Hussain was, and your options are the first Muslim president of India, option B first vice president of India, option C first president of Indian National Congress, option D first speaker of Lok Sabha. And the right option is option A, the first Muslim president of India. Question 4. G15 is the economic group of, and here are your options. Option A, first world nations, option B, second world nations, option C, third world nations, option D, fourth world nations. And the right option is option C, third world nations. And the fifth question is fathometer is used for measuring. Options are option A earthquakes, option B rainfall, option C ocean depth, option D sound intensity. And the right option is option C, ocean depth. So the first question is filaria is caused by option A, bacteria, option B, mosquito, option C, protozoa, option D, virus. And the answer is option B, mosquito. And your second question is Goa Shipyard Limited, GSL, was established in. Your options are option A 1958, option B 1957, option C 1956, option D 1955. and the right answer is option B, 1957. Third question is DRDL stands for, and your options are option A, Defense Research and Development Laboratory, option B, Department of Research and Development Laboratory, option C, Differential Research and Documentation Laboratory, D, none of the above. And the right answer is option A, Defense Research and Development Laboratory. The fourth question is, who was the first Indian Chief Commander of Indian Army? And your options are option A, General K.M. Cariappa, option B, Vice Admiral R.D. Katari, option C, General Maharaja Rajendra Singh Ji, option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option A, General K.M. Cariappa. And the last and fifth question is FRS stands for, and here are your options. Option A, Fellow Research System, option B, Federation of Regulation Society, option C, Fellow of Royal Society, option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option C, Fellow of Royal Society. Question 1. Escape velocity of the rocket fired from the Earth towards the Moon is the velocity to get rid of the, and here is your options. Option A, Earth's gravitational pull, option B, Moon's gravitational pull, C, centripetal force due to Earth's rotation, option D, pressure of the atmosphere. And your right option is Earth's gravitational pull. Your second question is GATT is, and here is your options. Option A, International Agreement signed in 1947 between non-communist nation with the object of encouraging international trade unobstructed by tariff barriers. Agreements which seek to achieve its aim by arranging and encouraging bargaining with trade concession between members. Option C, both option A and B. Option D, none of the above. And your right option is option C, both option A and B. And your third question is, coral reef in India can be found in, and your options are the coast of Orissa, option B, Voltaire, option C, Rameshwaram, option D, Trivandrum. And your right option is option C, Rameshwaram. Your fourth question is, for safety, the fuse wire used in household supply for electricity is made up of metal having, and your options are A, low melting point, option B, high resistance, C, high melting point, D, low specific heat. And your right option is option A, low melting point. Question number 5th and the last question is, Golden Temple of Amritsar is, options are largest Gurudwara, option B oldest Gurudwara, option C both option A and B are correct, option D none of the above. And the right option is option A, largest Gurudwara. And here are your questions. Question number 1. During the World War I, Germany defeated on the Battle of Verdun on Western Front and Romania declared the war on Eastern Front in year, and your options are option A 1914, option B 1915, option C 1916, option D 1917. And the right option is option C 1916. Question number 2. Heavy water project and fertilizer plants are famous industries of, and here are your options. Option A Orissa, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Andhra Pradesh, option D Kerala. And the right option is option A Orissa. Question number 3. Hamid Karzai was the chosen president of Afghanistan in year. Your options are option A 2000, option B 2001, option C 2002, option D 2003. And the right option is option C 2002. Question number 4. Durand Cup is associated with the game of option A cricket, option B football, option C hockey, option D volleyball. And the right option is option B football. Question number 5. Question number 5. Headquarters of UNO is situated in, and here are your options. Option A New York, USA, option B Hague, Netherlands, option C Geneva, option D Paris. And the right option is option A New York, USA. So here are your questions. Your first question is, which of the following metal is used for galvanizing iron? And your options are option A aluminium, option B copper, option C lead, option D zinc. And the right option is option D zinc. Question number 2. Economic goods are, and your options are option A all commodities that are limited in quantity as compared to their demand, option B commodities that is available according to their demand, option C commodities that is available more as compared to demand, option D none of the above. And the right option is option A all commodities that are limited in quantity as compared to their demand. Question number 3. Why alum is used to purifying drinking water? And your options are Option A, for the accumulation of soil particles. Option B, to kill bacteria. Option C, to remove salts. Option D, to remove gases. And the right option is option A, for the accumulation of soil particles. Question number 4. Hockey was introduced in Asian Games in which year? And your options are option A, 1958 in Tokyo. Option B, 1962 in Jakarta. Option C, 1966 in Bangkok. Option D, 1970 in Bangkok. And the right option is option A, 1958 in Tokyo. Question number 5. ESCAP stands for, and your options are option A, Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific. Option B, European Society Council for Africa and Pacific. Option C, Economic and Social Commission for Africa and Pacific. Option D, none of the above. And the right option is option A, Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific. And here are your questions. Question number 1. Firdausi was, and your options are option A, a poet. Option B, well known for his epic Shahnama. Option C, both option A and B. Option D, none of the above. Option C, both option A and B. Question number 2. Himalayan Mountaineering Institute is at, and your options are option A, Darjeeling. Option B, Dehradun. Option C, Marmago. Option D, Dispur. And the right option is option A, Darjeeling. Question number 3. Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit was, and your options are option A, a German physicist. Option B, developed the mercury thermometer in 1714. Option C, devised temperature scale. Option D, all of the above. And the right option is option D, all of the above. Question number 4. During the first crusade, crusaders reached Jerusalem and captured it in, and your options are option A, 1000 AD. Option B, 1099 AD. Option C, 1200 AD. Option D, 1515 AD. And the right option is option B, 1099 AD. Question number 5. Dr. Linus Carl Pauling was the only person who have won 2 Nobel Prizes individually for. And your options are option A, Chemistry in 1954, Peace Prize in 1962. Option B, Peace Prize in 1954, Chemistry in 1962. Option C, Physics in 1954, Medicine in 1962. Option D, Medicine in 1954, Physics in 1962. And the right option is option A, Chemistry in 1954, Peace Prize in 1962.
So your first question is, in which year of First World War, Germany declared a war on Russia and France? So your options are option number A, 1914, option number B, 1915, option number C, 1916, option D, 1917. So the correct answer is option number A, 1914. So the question number 2 is, ICAO stands for. So your options are option number A, International Civil Aviation Organization, option B, Indian Corporation of Agriculture Organization, option C, Institute of Company of Accounts Organization, option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is International Civil Aviation Organization. So the question number 3 is, India's first Technicolor film is. So your options are option A, Jhansi Ki Rani, option B, Jodha Akbar, option C, Pakiza, option D, Mirza Ghalib. So your correct answer is option A, Jhansi Ki Rani. So the question number 4 is, India has the largest reservoirs of. Your options are option number A, gold, option B, copper, option C, mica, option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, mica. Question number 5 is, how many Lok Sabha seats belong to Rajasthan? So your options are option A, 32, option B, 25, option C, 30, option D, 17. So the correct answer is option B, 25.
So here is your first question. India's tallest stone statue of Jain sage Gomteshwara is situated at, and your options are option A, Mysore, Karnataka, option B, New Delhi, option C, Sarvana Belagola, Karnataka, option D, Mandu, Madhya Pradesh, and the right option is option C, Sarvana Belagola, Karnataka. The question number 2 is, in 1945, 50 nations met to the phrase the basic charter of the World Organization, which would save succeeding generation from the scourge of war. This conference took place at, and your options are option A, Dumbarton Oaks, option B, London, option C, San Francisco, option D, Yalta, and the right option is option C, San Francisco. In a normal human body, the total number of red blood cells are, and your options are option A, 15 trillion, option B, 20 trillion, option C, 25 trillion, option D, 30 trillions, and the right option is option D, 30 trillions. Question number 4 is, INS Venduruthi is situated at, and your options are option A, Kochi, option B, Lonavala, option D, Jamnagar, option C, Mumbai, and the right option is option A, Kochi. Here is question number 5. In which season we need more fat? And your options are option A, rainy season, option B, spring, option C, winter, or option D, summer, and the right option is option C, winter. So here is your first question. How much districts are there in Punjab? Option A, 13, option B, 17, option C 22, option D 15. And the right option is option C 22. And the second question is India participated in Olympics hockey in, and your options are option A 1918, option B 1928, option C 1938, option D 1948. And the right option is option B 1928. Your third question is if force is expressed in Newton and the distance in meter, then the work done is expressed in, and your options are option A joule, option B kilo per watt, option C kilo per watt meter, option D watt. And the right option is option A joule. Here is your fourth question. How many teeth does an adult dog have? Your options are option A 32, option B 34, option C 38, option D 42. And the right option is option D 42. And your last question is how many red blood cell does bone marrow produce in every second? And your options are option A 2 million, option B 5 million, option C 7 million, option D 10 million. And the right option is option A 2 million. Here is your first question. How many times has Brazil won the World Cup Football Championship? Your options are option A 4 times, option B twice, option C 5 times, option D once. And the right option is option C 5 times. If speed of rotation of the earth increases, weight of the body, your options are increases, remains unchanged, option C decreases, option D may decrease or increase. And the right option is option C decreases. Question number 3. In August 1996 at Kolar near Bangalore, India made successful test flight of unmanned air vehicle. Name. And your options are A. Arjun, option B. Nishant, option C. Vijayanta, option D. Lakshya. And your right option is option B. Nishant. Question number 4. IDA stands for, and your options are option A Indian Development Agency, option B International Development Agency, option C Industrial Development Analysis, or option D none of the above. The right option is option B International Development Agency. Question number 5 is Indira Gandhi was assassinated in, and your options are option A in 1974, option B 1984, option C 1994, option D 2004. And the right option is option B 1984. Here is your first question. India's first nuclear blast at Pokhran in Rajasthan took place in, and your options are option A 1984, option B 1974, option C 1964, option D 1954. And the right option is option B 1974. Your second question is how many players are there on each side in the game of basketball? Your options are option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D 7. And the right option is option B 5. In a normal human being, how much time does food take to reach the end of the intestine for complete absorption? And your options are option A about 8 hours, option B about 12 hours, option C about 16 hours, option D about 18 hours. And the right option is option B about 12 hours. Question number 4. In a certain diseases, antibiotics are administered. The object is, Your options are option A, stimulate production of white blood cell for fighting the disease. Option B, stimulate production of antibodies. Option C, inhibit the growth of bacteria. Option D, produce toxins against bacteria. And the right option is option C, inhibit the growth of bacteria. And the last question is, in cricket, the two sets of wickets are, your options are 18 yards apart, option B 20 yards apart, option C 22 yards apart, option D 24 yards apart. And the right option is option C 22 yards apart. So here is your first question. INS Agrani Petty Officer School is situated at, your options are option A Mumbai, option B Jamnagar, option C Coimbatore, option D Lonavala. And the right option is option C Coimbatore. Your second question is, hybridization is, your options are option A downward movement of water through soil, option B a process of tilling the land, option C decayed vegetable matter, option D cross fertilization between two varieties. And the right option is option D cross fertilization between two varieties. Your third question is, in which World Cup cricket final Australia beat England? Your options are option A 1983 Lords England, option B 1987 Kolkata India, option C 1992 Melbourne Australia, option D 1996 Lahore Pakistan. And the right option is option B 1987 Kolkata India. Your fourth question is, India is the dash grower of pulses. And your options are option A largest, option B smallest, option C appropriate for national need, option D none of the above. And the right option is option A largest. So here is your last question. In cricket, a run taken when the ball passes the batsman without touching his bat or body is called. Your options are option A leg by, option B by, option C bozzy, option D drive. And the right option is option B by. Here is your first question. India's first indigenous helicopter was successfully flown in Bangalore on, your options are option A August 30, 1992, option B August 30, 1982, option C August 30, 1990, option D none of the above. And the right option is option A August 30, 1992. Your second question is, in which of the following place the Winter Olympics game was held in 2014? Your options are option A Albertville, option B Lillehammer, option C Sochi, Russia, option D Salt Lake City, USA. And the right option is option C Sochi, Russia. Your third question is, 100-year war was fought between, and your options are option A France and England, option B Greek and Persian forces, option C civil war in England, option D none of the above. And the right option is option A France and England. Your fourth question is, in which of the following pairs the two substances forming the pair are chemically most dissimilar? Your options are option A sugar and pepper, option B butter and paraffin wax, Option C, chalk and marble. Option B, option D, charcoal and diamond. And the right option is option B, butter and paraffin wax. And here is your last question. India's integrated missile development program was started in under the chairmanship of APJ Abdul Kalam. Option A, 1979 to 1980. Option B, 1980 to 1981. Option C, 1981 to 1982. Option D, 1982 to 1983. And the right option is option D, 1982 to 1983.
And here is our first question. How many non-permanent Security Council UNO members are from Afro-Asian countries? Option A, 5. Option B, 15. Option C, 2. Option D, 1. And the correct answer is A, 5. Next question. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, established in 1971, is located at Option A, Indore. Option B, Trombay, Maharashtra. Option C, Kalpakkam, Chennai. And option D, Kolkata. And the correct answer is option C, Kalpakkam, Chennai. Our next question is, in which year did Sir Edmund Hillary reach the summit of Mount Everest? And our options are A, 1952, option B, 1953, option C, 1954, option D, 1955. And the correct answer is option B, 1953. Next question. HP stands for option A, harmonic progression, option B, horsepower, option C, both A and B, option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, both A and B, that is harmonic progression and horsepower. Next question. India's first fast breeder neutron reactor was option A, Zarlina, option B, Apsara, option C, Purnima 1, option D, Kamini. And the correct answer is option D, Kamini. So our first question is, India's first atomic power station was set up at option A, Surat, Gujarat, option B, Tarapur, Maharashtra, option C, Trombay, Maharashtra, option D, Solapur, Maharashtra. And the correct answer is option B, Tarapur, Maharashtra. Next question. How many ergs are there in 1 joule? Option A, 10 to the power 2, option B, 10 to the power 4, option C, 10 to the power 6, option D, 10 to the power 7. And the correct answer is option D, that is 10 to the power 7. And our next question is, Innocent III, who became Pope in 1198, led option A, the First Crusade, option B, the Second Crusade, option C, the Third Crusade, option D, the Fourth Crusade. And the correct answer is option D, that is the Fourth Crusade. And next and the last question. In which year a resolution uniting for peace was adopted by UN General Assembly? Option A, 1950, option B, 1960, option C, 1965, option D, 1980. And the correct answer is 1950, option A. Here is our first question. In which of the following organs of human body does maximum absorption of food take place? Option A, gullet, option B, large intestine, option C, small intestine, option D, stomach. And the correct answer is option C, that is small intestine. Next question. Human Rights Day is on option A, 24th February, option B, 10th February, option C, 10th December, option D, 21st July. And the correct answer is option C, 10th December. Next question. In the last World Cup hockey finals in 2002, Germany beat option A, Pakistan, option B, Australia, option C, India, option D, Spain. And the correct answer is option B, that is Australia. Next question. How much of blood does the normal human heart on each of its contraction pump into the arteries? Option A, 30 centimeter cube. Option B, 60 centimeter cube. Option C, 30 centimeter to the power 5. Option D, 60 centimeter to the power 5. And the correct answer is option B, that is 60 centimeter cube. Our next and the final question. Hygrometer is used to measure option A, relative humidity, option B, purity of milk, option C, specific gravity of liquid, and option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, relative humidity. And here's our first question. India became a member of the United Nations in option A, 1945, option B, 1947, option C, 1959, option D, 1960. And the correct answer is option A, 1945. Next question. India has option A, largest turmeric production, option B, largest tea production, option C, largest ginger production, option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question. India's first indigenously built submarine was option A, INS Savitri, option B, INS Shalki, option C, INS Delhi, option D, INS Vibhuti. And the correct answer is option B, INS Shalki. Next question. How many medals came into the account of India during the last Commonwealth Games in 2002 at Manchester? Option A, 32, option B, 24, option C, 69, option D, 16. And the correct answer is option C, that is 69. Next and the last question. If the plane of the Earth's equator were not inclined to the plane of the Earth's orbit, option A, the year would be longer, B, the winters would be longer, option C, there would be no change of seasons, option D, the summers would be warmer. And the correct answer is option C, that is there would be no change of seasons.
modern football is said to have evolved from? Option A, England. Option B, India. Option C, France. Option D, Spain. The right answer is England. Modern Indo-Aryan languages are based on an ancient language called option A, Hindi. Option B, Sanskrit. Option C, Kannada. Option D, Tamil. The right answer is Sanskrit. Lakshmi Bai National College of Physical Education is located at option A, Bhopal. Option B, Gwalior. Option C, Karnal. Option D, Patiala. The correct answer is Gwalior. Malfunctioning of which of the following organs causes jaundice? Option A, stomach. Option B, pancreas. Option C, liver. Option D, kidney. The correct answer is liver. Olympic Creed and Oath was composed by the founder of modern Olympics. Option A, Rave Father Denon. Option B, Baron Pere de Coubertin. Option C, Norman Pichard. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is Baron Pere de Coubertin. Kathak, Nautanki, Jhora and Kajri are the important dances of option A, Uttaranchal, option B, Uttar Pradesh, option C, Jharkhand, option D, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Ludhiana is associated on which river? Option A, Gomti, option B, Yamuna, option C, Satluj, option D, Godavari. The correct answer is Satluj. Kiran Bedi is option A, first women IAS officer, option B, first women IPS officer, option C, first women advocate, option D, first women judge. The correct answer is first women IPS officer. Question 6. MISA stands for option A, Maintenance of Internal Security Act, option B, Multinational Internal Society Authority, option C, Movement of Indian System Act, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is Maintenance of Internal Security Act. Question 7. Mount Everest was captured by Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay in the year option A, 1951, option B, 1952, option C, 1953 and option D, 1954. The correct answer is 1953. Caroline Michelson was the first woman to reach North Pole, option B, to reach South Pole, option C, to climb Mount Everest, option D, set foot on the moon. The correct answer is reaching South Pole. Liquids transmit pressure equally in all directions is known as option A, Boyle-Pascal's law, option C, Pascal's law, option D, Archimedes' principle, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is Pascal's law. John F. Kennedy, President of USA, died on option A, 1963, option B, 1964, option C, 1965, option D, 1966. The correct answer is 1963. Question 1. Most commonly used bleaching agent is option A, alcohol, option B, carbon dioxide, option C, chlorine, option D, sodium chloride. The correct answer is chlorine. Question 3. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin were the first to option A, step on the moon, option B, circle the moon, option C, walk in space, option D, journey into space. The correct answer is step on the moon. Question 4. Lal Bahadur Shastri is also known as option A, Guruji, option B, Man of Peace, option C, Punjab Kesari, option D, Mahamana. The correct answer is Man of Peace. Question 5th. Lime is sometimes applied to soil in order to option A, increase the alkalinity of the soil, option B, increase the acidity of the soil, option C, restore nitrates of the soil, option D, make the soil more porous. The correct answer is increase the alkalinity of the soil.